There's my baby. My baby's gonna come see mama. Come here, baby. Come on, you wanna come play? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, kid. Come on. Hi, sweeties. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby. Hi, honey. What's my baby girl doing? There's my baby's house. Where's my babies? Where's my babies? There they are. Hi, baby. Take it in your house. Go put the sock in your house. Go put that sock in your house. Go put it in there. Good girl. Good girl. That's my girl. She put her sock in her house. Now put it in your bed. Put it in the bed with you. Put it in the bed with you. Oh, okay. You can bring it back, I guess. Bring me the sock then. Bring me the sock. Yeah, that's a girl. Baby girl. Where's my baby girl? Come on. Come on. It's open. Come on. Come on. Come on, figure it out. Come on. Come on here. Come on. Come on out. How do you get out of there? Through the door, remember? Come on. Come on. She is. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright. Yeah, no, you're not allowed in the car. No, you're not allowed in there, remember? Come here. Come here. No. No. Talk to me. Where's your sock? Where's your sock? Get your sock. Get your sock, baby girl. Get your sock and take it in your house. Show me how you get your sock and take it in your house. Sock in your house. Good girl. Take it in your house. Good girl. Tiger War with the sock. She is with her collection of socks. go. He's in his beddy. He's in his beddy. And she's roughing it with a sock. Put it in the bed with you. Get in bed with him. Jump in there. Oh, there you go with it. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her, Dusty. Go get her. Come on. Go get her. Go get your sister. Go get her. Come on. Come on.